you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't already know me, my name is Amaya Miliani, and today we are going to be doing another wig install. As you can see, I think y'all should already know by now which hair company we're reviewing. It's always gonna give Love Me Hair for me. So Love Me Hair sent me this extremely bomb wig, and they always make sure to include goodies in the bag. I got a headband. I also got a cute purple mirror this time, and I got a edge brush. They always switch it up. They also sent me this wig cap and instructions on how to care for the hair. Any questions or concerns you will have is in there. The wig is a sleek highlight bob closure wig, and it was bomb, melted right with my skin, as you can see. And the lace did come pre-plucked, so if you don't like plucking hair, this is a easy wig for you. Inside the wig, it came with 4 combs so that it's snug on your head, and it also came with a very stretchy elastic band. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Let me take this off. So I'm going in with this makeup. I think I got this from Target. It could have been Walgreens. I don't know. I'm in the color Golden Almond. I'm not even sure if this is my shade. So I just take some makeup. And to apply my wig, I like to take both of these. And I always got a little bump behind there. So I take them like this, put it behind my head like that, just, whoop. And then I pull the wig forward. I would honestly recommend this wig to anyone looking for a very quick and easy style. This wig took me honestly not that long to install it, cut off the lace, and flat iron it. Maybe like 10 minutes total. Like, honestly, it was very quick and easy. I went ahead and started using my edge stick because, as you guys can see, it's kind of puffy at the top, and I want the top to be flat. I want it to be given scalp, sleek, smooth, very nice, clean part. That's just the look I'm going for. So now it's time to cut the lace. You want to get as close as possible to the hairline. Alright, so I'm setting my flat iron to a calm 450 because that makes the hair so bust down straight.
No limit, got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. You get that black car. No limit, just know when you roll with a nigga like me.
If you have any heat protectant spray, or if you have hairspray, you should use that on the comb as well as spraying it on your hair because it does make it bone straight. I do see some people using hairspray, but I feel like hairspray makes my hair personally too greasy, and I want that look. But maybe just because I use a very oily hairspray, but I think heat protectant protects the hair from heat damage, and it also gives it that bone straight look. So what you're gonna want to do is, feel me, not too much because we don't want that oily look. We want it to still flip. When I'm flat ironing my hair, I honestly choose to like go over the same pieces a couple of times. So that is why you're going to see me going over the same pieces a couple of times, because I honestly want it to be straight, smooth, no flyaways. I just want it to be absolutely perfect. Y'all see the difference? All right, now for this side and then the back. This wig is a 10-inch closure bob wig. It's 100% virgin hair from one donor. It is also 180 density, so it is pretty thick. It also comes pre-plucked for the girlies that don't like to pluck their hair. Yes, the hair can be dyed if you decide to ever change the color. It is 100% glueless, but if you do decide to use glue, that is always an option for you if you would like. And the lace is a 4x4. Any other information you need will be down in the description box below, and if it is not, you can comment any questions you have and I answer all of my comments. Alright, so let me do the background. Comb this out a little bit. As y'all can see, this was a very quick and easy wig install. Like, we're all done. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the information to this wig will be down in the description box below. I love you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.